I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about Club Nintendo in Japan. If you're at all familiar with Nintendo, if you have a Wii, if you have a DS, a 3DS, any of those things, this is a program that has been in Japan for a while and is now, I know, going out to other countries as well. I don't know how far it's reached and what countries it's in. I know it took a little while to take off in the States. The items that are available in each country, I'm assuming, are different. I know for sure what's available in the States and what's available in Japan is a little different. But the program's been around for a while here. You get a little code inside anything you buy that's from Nintendo, and then you put that into your account and you get points. And then you can use those points to buy anything from, handkerchiefs all the way up to games. So kind of fun stuff that's really unique. And there's been a lot of really cool things for Dobutsu no Mori, which is Animal Crossing in Japan. So it's been really cool to get a hold of some of those things. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see the things I've collected over the years. Some of it hasn't even been opened. I don't even know if I want to open some of it, but we'll see how much I can show you guys. But one of the big things with the new release of the 3DS Animal Crossing was that they had a special promotion that if you bought it online through the 3DS's built-in e-shopping system, then you qualified for a discount for the new Animal Crossing 2013 calendar, pocket calendar. And so it's like a little schedule book. And usually I think it's about 250 points, but because if you buy the game on the e-shopping, then it's only 80 points, which is a really good deal. So I went ahead and did it that way so that I could get a hold of my game faster, and B, also get a cool deal on one of the calendars. So that was a nice deal. Most of the stores here are sold out. Animal Crossing cannot be found. You could get it cheaper, about by $10, even cheaper at some of the stores, if you were smart and went ahead and made reservations early on. But now can't find it. Amazon's charging $10 more now than they should be for it, so it's a hard thing to get a hold of. But getting it through the eShop is nice because then you don't have to worry about losing the cartridge and all that. But then you can also be worried because if your console breaks, then that always proves to be a little difficult to make sure everything gets transferred over. But anyways, enough of me blabbing. Turn around the camera and let you guys see some of the cool stuff that I've collected over the years from the Animal Crossing series through Club Nintendo. So these are some of the things that I've gotten over the years from Club Nintendo, and I can't officially remember for this one. I want to say that I think for a couple of years there or something, they gave away free calendars for particular years, or maybe I used points. I can't even remember. But this is one of them. This is just from this year because I've never really opened it. Nice thing is I can kind of open it and show you guys what it looks like inside. It's just a standard calendar, but then it features some of the other games. So you've got Zelda, you've got, why can't I think of his name? Yeah, I'm stupid. This is that Rhythm no Tengoku, which is a fun game. These little guys, Sky Fox, I can't remember all these guys, Nintendogs, Mario Kart, Mario, and what's his name? Hello. I can't remember everybody's name. Sonic, hello. Dobutsu no Mori, Animal Crossing there, cute one for September. Bowser, and Kid Icarus. And then a little bit of Mario there at the end. So you can kind of see these are then two on this side, just some more kind of cute designs, depending on the way you want to show your calendar. If you want a bigger space where you can write memos in a little bit. But it's a really nice calendar, really cute, well designed. The paper's nice and thick. Definitely a nice product. They definitely don't skimp on things. They make nice things for you to enjoy. And then they include this little guy if you want to keep that like as a bookmark or put it in your day planner, those kinds of things. That's really popular. So definitely one of the cuter things to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. And then I had one other one of these calendars. This was from 2009, so kind of gives you an idea, a little different kind of thing. But basically the same gist of stuff that you can get from Club Nintendo here in Japan. Now, in terms of more specific, it does, have 1 month that's dedicated to Animal Crossing. This particular item is all about Animal Crossing right here. This is a little one of those like bags that you can reuse. It's like an echo bag, and a lot of people, considering the size, would be perfect to put a bento, a lunchbox in. You can see down here at the bottom it says Dobutsu no Mori, which is Animal Crossing there. and it really means, Dobutsu no Mori really means like animal forest. But there's the little bus that you come in on as a little keychain kind of style, and you can see no kiting down here, little Tanuki-san. I have to remember what his name is in English. Sometimes I forget. And on the back, I like this. You get the little package flying with the balloon. And then inside, you've got that little genie-like ghost and the genie lamp from that one. I can't remember which one that's from. Is that from? Oh, I can't even remember. There's been too many. I've played too many of them. I can't remember which version it is. If you guys remember, you can let me know. So that's one of the things that I got with points from them. The other things that I think are super cute are these letter sets. And these were both released at different times. You can tell they're kind of similar by what you see here with that cherry blossom design. But the neat thing, this one has a bunch of stickers, which are stamps, like really simplified characters, faces there on the back. This one doesn't have any of that. So I haven't opened either of these, and I don't really want to. I tried a couple times and they got a little messed up, but the cool thing about these is that they replicate the designs that are in the game. So if you're familiar with the game, you know that you can send letters to your friends, and these letter set designs are the same as what's in the game. So that's kind of cool because you get to have kind of a replica of what is actually in the game. So those were both really cool. I don't even think these might be even available anymore. And then one of the things that I've really treasured, and I haven't even opened it to take a look at it because I don't want to open it. But this is Dobutsu no Mori's, or Animal Crossing's Karuta. Now, Karuta is a game that's played in Japan that features usually ancient poems that start, you try to memorize the poems, and then you know when they're all spread out on the floor, a bunch of people, gather around in a circle around them, spread out on the floor, and you hear the beginning of the poem read aloud by somebody who's reading it, and you try to catch it by tapping it and swiping it to you. Maybe if you've seen anything on TV about Japan, you might have seen this game played by people. It's really commonly played, especially around New Year's. People can become very professional at that game. And this is a special karuta that's kind of based on that. And to be honest, I don't even know. I'm assuming most of the time these karuta that are like a character karuta, they make their own new phrases, new things that are supposed to represent and kind of echo back to the characters. I have karuta for Kirarin. I have it for Doraemon, Pokemon. There's karuta for everybody. I mean, there's so many of them. It just doesn't even... Yeah, it's just a real common thing to see. But this is a really special one that I was able to get a hold of. It's very heavy. You can tell the cards are probably a really good quality inside. But that is one of the other things that I've collected over the years. So that's sort of all of the things I've got in terms of these specialty items that are for Animal Crossing that you can get in Japan if you are part of the Club Nintendo. So, yeah, thanks for checking it out.